clouds rolling by. People looked up, some ran inside, but we stayed under the open sky. Soft skin breeze in our hair, laughter carried through the air. The raindrops fell like silver strings, but still we danced like kings and queens. Kids were spinning in the sand, mothers clapping with the band, drenched in joy and melody in cabaret symphony. Old and young, side by side, no umbrellas, open wide, 'cause in this place we all agree the rain's just part of being free. Oceans beat beneath our toes, the palm trees sway, the magic grows, and through the storm we rise again, stronger dancing in the rain. We dance through the rain under skies that never shade, with hearts full of light we turn storm into flame. No fear in our eyes, just rhythm and grace, in the heart of the storm we all find our place. Lightning flickers far away, but here the music makes us stay. Each drop a blessing from the sky, a gift we won't let pass us by. We raise our voices loud and clear, no sadness lives when love is near. Cabaret, hold me tight, you are my rhythm and my life. Bajo la lluvia bailamos sin fin, con los tambores y con el violín. El alma canta, el cuerpo salta, en cabarete todo resalta. El agua cae pero no nos vamos, el corazón fuerte, aquí nos quedamos. Los niños ríen, los viejos sueñan, la libertad aquí nos enseña. El sol regresa mojado